Are you also a physiotherapist? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I am going to show you how to design a WhatsApp chatbot for posture tips to help patients recover faster. So I am a physiotherapist, I have a clinic and I am receiving multiple WhatsApp messages on regular basis from the patients. I need to handle all the WhatsApp messages and the inquiries manually. That was a time consuming task. So I have decided to automate it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow by creating an amazing WhatsApp chatbot, that too without any coding and programming skills, that are going to handle all the WhatsApp messages that I am receiving from my patients and clients 24/7 and also going to automate the responses effortlessly for me. So for your business, if you also want to learn the entire process of creating this WhatsApp chatbot step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for posture tips. So here I'm a physiotherapist and here I'm receiving multiple WhatsApp messages on regular basis on my WhatsApp number regarding the posture tips, healthcare secrets, exercises, much more. I need to manually handle each of the inquiry and that was a time-consuming process. So I have decided to automate it by setting up a WhatsApp chatbot, and that I have created without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now as soon as I'm going to receive new messages from my customers and my patients, my bot that I have created is going to handle all those messages, all those inquiries, and will react and respond accordingly 24/7. So first of all, before learning how to create this WhatsApp chatbot by our own, I'm going to show you that how this bot and this flow which I have created is actually going to work. So I will take you towards WhatsApp, and this is the WhatsApp number of my physiotherapy clinic. When anyone is going to send a message on this number, let's say as a normal patient, I'm going to send a message over here on this WhatsApp number. Please share some pain relief advice. As I have sent this message, you can see instantly I got another reply. Welcome to Posture Assistant. I'm here to help you correct your posture and recover faster with simple expert recommended guidance. May I know your name before we move ahead? So here, as a customer or a patient, I'm going to provide a name, let's say test user, just a random name. And as I've done that, you can see I got instant reply, this time along with my name which I have sent. Okay, test user, what would you like to do? Do you want to look for posture tips, pain relief, or get in touch? I want to look for pain relief. So I have selected this button. And here it is providing me 3 other buttons. Let's target the area where you are feeling pain. Choose one. So let's say I'm going to select lower back over here. So I got lower back relief exercises. And here, in case if I want to get the posture tips, so I'm going to click on this button, and here it is providing me the tip. If I want to look for another tip, I got another. Okay, again, if I want to go towards the exercises, I'm going to click on this button and it is taking me towards the exercises. So in this way, the flow is actually going to work. It is going to handle all the messages that you're going to receive, and it is going to provide easy buttons so that your customers or your patients could easily reply. So now let's start learning how to create this WhatsApp chatbot for our business step by step. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab, we need to type pabbly.com/chatflow in our browser, which is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, we can find 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. In case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create our WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can manage the credits that are allotted to us, the credits that we have consumed, the credits that are remaining, and also the WhatsApp number that we have added. If you want to learn the full process of adding a WhatsApp number, for that you can go towards this add WhatsApp number over here. We have 2 methods, WhatsApp Connect and manual token connect. For both of these methods, we have already created separate video tutorials. Also, they are uploaded on our YouTube channel. If you want to learn, you can just go and watch. Also, I'm going to attach the video links in the description of my video, so you can just go and watch from there as well. If you're having multiple WhatsApp numbers, you can also create separate folders on the same dashboard to add your numbers separately. Now, apart from creating flows and WhatsApp chatbots, we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow, such as inbox, contact section, team queues, templates, broadcast. AI assistance, settings, and get help. These are amazing features that are really helpful for our business. So if you want to learn any of the feature in detail, for that we have already created separate video tutorials that are uploaded on our channel. So you can just go and watch the videos anytime. Okay, now let's start creating the flow. For that we have to go towards the flow section from the left side. We will go towards flows. So this is my flow section, and here you can see these are the flows that I've created for different purposes. We have active flows over here, and also we have inactive flows. Now to create a new flow, we have to click on this add flow button. As we have done that, here the flow is created, a blank flow which we have to fill up. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that the bot which we are going to create for our business is totally going to be based on the flow which we are going to prepare over here. Flow is going to decide the chronological order of the messages that are going to be sent according to the responses of our customers. And here, therefore, we have to prepare the flow accordingly. Okay, so first of all, let me provide a name to my flow as WhatsApp chatbot for posture tips. As I have given the name, now here we have to decide that how we want to start this flow. If you want that when you're going to receive certain keywords from the side of your patients or customers, then you want to start your flow and start responding, then you can add the keywords over here, such as pain, help, relief, etc. But if you want that whenever you're going to receive any kind of message, whether it is a text message, a specific word, even if it is a symbol, then the flow should start. For that you can use a regex. Regex is actually regular expression which helps us to identify the messages that we have received from our customers on our number and start our flow automatically. So the regex which I am going to use is, okay, this is the regex. You can also use the same. Now we will move forward. So as I've used this regex, every time I'm going to receive any kind of message from my customers or my patients, the flow is automatically going to start. Then first of all, I want to ask the name of the person who is chatting. So to ask any question from our customers or from our patients, we have to go towards action, and here we have ask question. We will simply drag it down like this and we'll connect it with our flow start. Now, what question you want to ask, that you are going to enter over here in the message field. Welcome to Posture Assistant. Here I have made the name of my service bold by adding stars in the messages at the start and at end. Okay. I am here to help you correct your posture and recover faster with simple expert recommended guidance. Before going ahead, may I please know your name? To collect the name of my customers, I am going to select contact custom field as full name. As I have selected full name from contact custom field, whenever I am going to receive the reply from my customers with their name will be automatically added in contact section of my Pabbly Chatflow account, and further in my communications, I will be able to automatically use the name of those customers. Okay, now I am going to select the format of the name, that is going to be text. If you want to provide reattempt chances or validation message, you can also use these fields. I'm going to ignore it and I'm going to move forward. And as I'm going to receive the name of the person or the patient, I want to further provide them the options that they want to explore. So I'm going to send a text plus button message, and the message is going to be okay. And here I'm going to use the name of the patient to address them with their own name and make my communications personalized. And how am I going to do that? I will simply enter a star to make it bold. I will use a $sign, and here I'm going to enter the exact contact custom field that I have selected. As I've used a $sign, I have made this detail variable, and automatically with every new response, it is now going to replace. Now I'm going to enter the entire message. Okay, full name, what would you like to do today? So I'm going to provide some buttons. The patients could click the buttons easily to select their interest. First button is going to be to get a posture tip. The second button will be if they want to click on the button pain relief, so that I can send them the exercises they can follow. And the third button is going to be if they want to get in touch with us. So 3 buttons I have provided, and I'm going to send separate message for each of the buttons. So first of all, we have posture tips. If my patient is going to click on this button, so I'm going to send them the message along with the posture tip. That the message is going to be today's posture tip. So here we have provided the tip, and here I'm going to enter good posture is equal to better energy plus fast recovery. This is the tip. Okay, what would you like to do next? So here I'm going to again provide them some buttons. First will be if after reading the tip they want to look for another tip. So I have attached the button show another tip. Then the second button is going to be if they want to go towards the exercises, and the third button will be for going back to the main menu. Okay, first of all, let me connect the main menu button with the message where I'm providing them the main options. Okay, if they will click on this button, they will be redirected towards the main message. Then if they want to go for the another tip, so I'm going to send them the another tip. Try this tip too. Take a 2-minute standing or walking break every 30 minutes. So here I've provided the tip. And if they want to go towards the exercises, I'm going to attach a button over here. Now, if they want to go towards the exercises, so I'm going to send them a message as, let's target the area where you are feeling pain. Choose one. Again, I'm going to provide them 3 buttons that where they are having the pain, so that accordingly I can send them the exercise. Lower back, neck and shoulder, and knee. So I have attached 3 buttons, and for each of the 3 buttons, I'm going to send separate messages. Okay. So here I'm going to send first of all the message for lower back. Here we have the message for lower back relief exercise. If they want to select the neck or shoulder, so I have the exercise for neck and shoulder as well. And then we have the exercise for knees as well. So here we have connected each of the pain relief exercise with the options. And now here I'm going to connect this button as well, go to exercise button as well with the same message. Okay. Now, as we have completed the flow, let's click on save to keep it saved and keep it updated. And now we are going to move forward towards the next button, that is pain relief, if they want to go for pain relief exercises. So again, here I am going to send them the same message. I'm going to connect it with the exercises message where I'm providing the options. And here then the third button is for get in touch. So I'm going to send them another message that if they want to get in touch with me, so I will send them the message regarding the details. You can reach our wellness team anytime. Here we have the email address, phone number, and the WhatsApp number. How can we help you further if they want to book their appointment? So I've attached a button, and if they are going to click on this button, book appointment, I will send them the link that how they can book their appointment. Okay. To book an appointment, please share these details, your name, preferred date and time, and consult back pain or posture check. Our team will confirm shortly. So here my flow is ready. I'm going to quickly save the flow, and now I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp to check whether the flow which we have created is working properly or not. So here, this is my WhatsApp, and this is the number of Posture Pro. I'm going to send a WhatsApp message as a patient randomly. Hi, I need help. As I've sent this message, you can see that I quickly got another message. Welcome to Posture Assistant. I'm here to help you correct your posture and recover faster. So in this way, we can say that the flow is actually working fine and it is responding. So you can also very easily create a flow for your posture care tips. This will help you to engage your patients, improve your productivity, also manage and handle all the inquiries that you're receiving on WhatsApp. So I hope this WhatsApp chatbot is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Do you know you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free? So try it now today. Thank you for watching.